Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
For FirstEnergy, one of the really interesting things that we saw that jumped out here was around its PE. Right, one of the reasons why you might like this as a company is because at a PE this low, right, on an as-reported PE of 12 times, this company must be cheap, and also probably has a really good dividend yield. And not just does it have a dividend yield, but right, valuations mean stock isn't going to drop. In reality, when we look at the uniform accounting data, we can see this company really has a 23 times multiple, not a 12 times multiple. It's way more expensive than the as reported metrics initially reflect. And now some of that is, hey, ROA didn't drop as much in 2019 as reported metrics reflect. So maybe, right, hey, this isn't that bad of a business, especially since ROAs, if we look at Wall Street, are forecast to rise in the next few years. It's just the market is understanding the fundamental shift in this business. But if I look and I type in a reasonable scenario for asset growth here, what I can see is what the market's pricing this company to do is for basically no growth and ROA to continue to expand going forward, right? Historically, this company never had a uniform ROA that was above really 5.5% to 6% levels. The market is expecting that not only is ROA going to expand to 6% in 2021, it'll rise to 7% in the next few years, right? If you were looking at a company with a 12 times PE, you'd assume market expectations were low, right? They're for no earnings growth and for returns to even drop. But because this company is really trading at 23 times multiple, what we realize is for it to justify current valuations, returns need to rise. And that might be a bridge too far to expect for a utility company whose earnings are probably regulated pretty aggressively by its regulatory agencies. And right, that's why when we look at FirstEnergy, honestly, we look at it and say, you know what? This is probably one that's a lot more expensive than you think, one to avoid.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.